All right, here, guys. You're buying a Cub Cadet. Give 500. $500, 3. $300, bid to 3, 3, 2, 2, $100. $100 here now. $100, one a quarter. $100 money down. Gonna be quarter here now. 125. Don't know nothing about it. 50. 150 here. He set it in line. 150, 125, 50, 150, 175, 75 back here. $150 down. Gonna be 75. I'm 150 on the money. Gonna be 75. Don't look like that better machine. 75 2. $200 bid to 2. Give me 2. 175 bid 2 now quarter. $200 down. Gonna be quarter. 225, 50. 250 here, 250, battery's a little weak, 75, 275, 250 down, gonna be 75, but it turns over, 250 down, gonna be 75, here down, 250 on the money, gonna be 75, so 250, that was 724. Guys, when I woke up through here, it's the first I ever seen it, so if you check it out, well, I do know everything in that row over there ran in here, but these couple here, he did set off. Right here, on the John Deere, lot 5032, on your CA 100 lawn tractor. Right here, guys. And 500 I got a bagger and all. 300 out of it, 3, 2, give me 100. $100 out of here now. $100 out of 50. $50 out of here now. 50, 25. 25 out of 50 here now. 50 out of 50 back here now. 25, 35. 35, 45. 45 here now. 55, 55, 45. What am I going to do? 55 and 65. 55, 65. 55 out of going to be 65 out of here now. 55. What am I going to do? 65, 55 and 65. So $55. 57's your buyer. On the field roller, guys. Right here, guys. What do you do there? Give 1,000. 500 out of it to 3. 300 out of it to 3, 2. 200 out of it to 2. Give it 2. Give 100. 100 out of here now. 100 out of 50. 75. 100. 100 here. Quarter. 1 quarter here now. Half. 150. 125. I want to give 50. 125. 50 bid. 125. 50. Works good to roll your pastures, your fields and stuff, guys. Make them smooth. 125. 50 bid. 1 quarter. 1 half. 125 out of it 50 here. 1 quarter half here. 125 and 50. So 1 quarter, number 58. 1 quarter, number 58. Now we have got a gravity wagon here, guys. 5044 should be your lot on a gravity wagon. Right here, what are you going to do there, guys? $1,500 thing, 500, $500, 3, $300 bid to 3, 300 3, 3, 2, $200 2, 1, 2, $100 going to be $200 1 bid to 2, 300 2 get 3, 3, 4, $400 3 bid to 4, 5, $500, $600 here now, $500 money going to be 6, $500 going to be $600 here now, $500 money going to be $600 here now, 500, 5 and a half, give a half, $500 here now, $500 here now, $500 going to be half. So $500 Curtis's way. 722 is going to be your back. Right here on the John Deere ring. Yeah, 2,500, 25, 20, but 2, 2 times out of it, 2, 500, 500 out of it, 5, 2, 3, 200 out of 300 out of 3, now 400 out of 3, bid 4, 300 out of 400 out of here, now 3, all money, get 400 out of here, now 3, bid 4, get 4, 300 out of 400 out of here, now, Keeney, don't you make a little hay, 400 out of here, 3 and a half, 4, 354, 400 out of here, now 350 did 4, 400 out of now half, 450, 450, 400 get it down half here, now 450 here, now 400 out of money down, get it half here, now 400 out of get it half, 4 and a half, 400 out of here now, how about out of here now, 400 make it a half, $400, 775. Now we should hay elevator, 71 on the hay elevator. New Holland got the motor right on it, guys. Fit. They plugged it in, does work. Plugged it in, does work, guys. On a hay elevator. Right here, guys. What are you going to do there? Give 1,000. Pound out of 500. 500 out of it to 500 out of pound 3. 300 out of it to 3, 2. 200 out of 2, 2, get it 2. Let y'all in $100 now half. 150 now 2. 200 out of 2 now half. 250, 200 get it in half. 250, 300 here. 250 on the money get it 3. 250, 300 here. 3, 250, take 75. 250, 75. I'm 250, 75 down here. 250 down get it 75 down back here. 250 down get it 75. Now, go! 3 and a quarter, 325, 300 out of town, get a quarter here, now 325 here, 3 bid a quarter. So $300, 24, $300, 24. She's good. You're buying the first degree rocks, guys. Get 3,000. 3,000 out of 3, 2. 2,000 out of 2, give $1,000. 1,000 out of 500, 7 half, 750, 750, 500 out of 7 half. 750 here now, 500 out of money, give me 7 half here now, 750, 750 now, 1,000. 1,000 out of 1,000 out of here now, 750 out of money, give me 8, 9. 800 out of it down, give me 9 now, 1,000. 1,000 out of 1,000 out of here, 900 out of give me 1,000. 1,000 out of 1,000 out of here now, 1,000 out of 1,000 out of here, 900 out of money, give me 1,000. Now 1,100 out of here now, 1,000 out of how about you? 1,100 here, 1,000 out of 11. 1,000 out of money. money, 11, 1100 out of here now, 1100 out of here now, 11. Sold $1,000, 710, 710. Let's go ahead and sell that other box. All right, here you're buying the next box, guys. On the truck body. Tags on the back. It should be lot number 5040, Curtis. Should be 5040. Right here, guys. Get 5,000. 3, 3,000, 332, 2,000, 2,000, 12 and a half. 1,000 down, going to be 1250, 1250 here now, 15, 15, 15, 1250, 15, 1250 on the money, going to be 1,500 out of 15, 15, 1250, 15, 15, 15 here, 1250, 15. Guys, come talk to us if you're interested. They're picking a little more money on that body. Right here, guys, on your Premier mower. Yeah, 2,500, 25, 20 bid, 25, 20 bid, 25, 2,000 out of $2,000. $1,000 here now, 500 here now, 7.5, 750 now, 1,000, $1,000 back here now, $1,000 here now, 750 now, 8, 9, 800 out of bid, 9 now, 1,000, $1,000 here now, $1,000 here now, 11, 1,100 out of here now, 11 bid, 12, don't give me 12, don't give me 12, 1,200 out of here now, 11 bid, 12 now, 13, 13, 13, get a bit 13, 14, 14 here, 13, get a bit 14, 13, 14, 14. 1,500 out of here now, 14, 15, 1,500 out of here now, 14, no, the money gonna be 1,500 out of here now, 14 bid, 15, what are you gonna do? 14 gonna be 15, 1,500 out of here now, 14, take a half before I go, 14, 14 and a half, 1,400 out of gonna be half here now, 14, no, the money gonna be half. So, $1,400, 57, 57's the buyer. Right here, now we got 5062 is going to be your 5-foot brush hog. Right here, guys. What are you going to do here? Montgomery boards. I'm going to put down here, give 1,000. 500 out of it, 3. 300 out of it, 3, give it 3, 2. 200, 200. Now have 150, 150, going to be 50. 100, 1 and a half, going to be 50 here. Now 2 to bid, 2 to buy, $150 down, going to be 2. 150, 75, 75 here, $150 down, going to be 75. 150, 175 bid, $150 down, going to be 75 here, 150 on the money, going to be 75. Sold $150, number 710, 710. Next, we should have your hay tedder. 5065 on a New Holland hay tedder. Right here, guys, what are you going to do there? Give 1,000. $1,000. That season will be coming again sometime. Give 1,000. 500. 500 out of it. Going to be 500 out of going to be 500 out of 3. 300 out of 2, 3. 200 out of money down. Going to be 300 out of 3, 3, 3, 2 and a half. 250, 250, 250. Now 3. 300 out of 3 now half. 350, 350, 354. 400 out of 4 now half. 450, 450, 450, 450. 400 out of money down. Going to be 50. Now 500 out of here now. 450 bit 75. 450 down, gonna be 75. 450, 475, 450 on the money, gonna be 75 to the back here now. 450 down, gonna be 75. So $450, number 711, 711. Now we should have 5061 on the Bale wrapper. On the Bale wrapper, guys. Right here, auto wrap 600. Right here, guys. Give 5,000. 5,000. Gonna be 5,000. Give me 5, 3. 3,000. 3, 3, 2. 2,000. Gonna be 2,000. 2,000 bucks on a Bale wrapper. 1,000. 500. 7.5. 750 on the money. 500. Gonna be 750. Now 1,000. 1,000 here. 750 on the money. Gonna be 1,000. 800. 900. 8 bid 9. They give 9. 8 9 now 1,000. 1,000 down here. 900 down. Gonna be 1,000. 1,000 here. Don't you wrap pay 9? Give 1,000. 1,000. Maybe you should start when set out. Name 1,000. Here, 900 here now half. 900, 9 and a half. So $900. 790, 790. Bale spears. 50, 60, and 50, 59. 50, 60, and 50, 59. On your brand new kibble Bale spears made in America. Right here, give 1,000. 500 out of it, 5, 2, 3. 200 to 300 here now 4. 400 out of here now give 4. 400 here 5. 500 here now 5 and 6. 600 here now 5 and 6. 500 here 600 bid. 500 5 and a half. 550 550. 500 550 brand new guys. 500 5 and a half. Got to be quarter 525. 525 550 550 550. Now 75 575 550 575. 550 down gonna be 75 here. 550 on the money gonna be 75 to the back here now. 550 here now 575. So 550 775. 2 times the money. Right here, 5003 is your lot on a New Holland 329 Manure spreader. Nice little clean spreader there, guys. Got a good floor in it and all. Right here, what are you going to do, guys? Get 3,500, 35, 30, 35, 2, 2,000, 2,000 bucks. 1,000, 500, 500, 600 here now, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 700, 800 here now, 700 money give 8, 800 here now, 7 bid 8, 700 here now, 8, 9, 800 bid 900 here now, 8, no money give me 9, 8 and a half, 9, 859, 9, now 9 and a half, 900 here now, half a dollar now, 1,000, 10 and a half, 1050, 1050, 1000, 1050, 11, 1100 here now, 1050 make money, 11 $1100 out of here, down $10.50 down, get to 11. $10.50 on the money, get to 11. $1100 out of here, down $10.50 down, get to 11. So $10.50, number 57, 57 buys. Now we have okay. 5004. 5004 is going to be your little offset disc. Right here, guys. Give us a minute to move the internet. Right here on the offset disc, guys. Give 3,500. 30 pound, 30 but 30 pound, 30 but 2. $2,000 bit to 2, 2 get a bit 2. $2,000 2, 2, 2 get 2, 2, 2 give $1,000. $1,000 half. $500 down, gonna be 750, 750, 750. Hold the money. 500, 7.5 now. $1,000. $1,000, 12 and a half. 1250, 1250, 1250, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 13, 14. Gonna be 14. $100, 15, 15, 15, 16. $1,600, 15 now. 16, 16, 16, 17, 17, 17, 17. Gonna be 17. 16, 17 here now. 16 on the money. Gonna be $1,700 here now. 16, 17, 18. 18, 18. Gonna be 18. 17's down here. Gonna be 18. 18, 18, 17, 18. 17, 18. Gonna be 18. 18 here now. 17, 18. 17, 18, 19, gonna be 1900 out of here, 19, now $2,000 out of here, 19 bid 2, 19 give it a half, 19 and a half, 1900 out of here, now half it out of here, 19 and a half, 19 and a half, you say a half, 19 and a half, 19 and a half, 1900 out of here, now half, 19 and a half, 19 and a half, 1900, 19 and a half, 1900 out of here, how about you, half, 1950, 1900 out of here, now half it out of here, 1950, 1950, is the guy that owns this here, 1900 here, 1950. I'm going to sell it to you with a call. He wanted a little more money, but I'm going to sell it to you with, and we're going to sell it. $1,900, what's your number? 762. 762. 5022, get your DMI disc ripper. Right here on your DMI disc ripper, guys. I get 5,000, 5,000, 3, 3,000 bit to 3, 3, 2, 2,000 bit to 2, 2,000, 15, 1,500 out of here, 1,000 down, gonna be 12 and a half, 12 and a half, 12,000 down, gonna be 1250, 1,000 down, gonna be 1250, 1250, 1,500 here down, 1250, 15, 15, 17, 50, 15, 17, 50, now 2, 2,000 bit to 2, 2, 10, give me 2, 17, 52, 1750 on the money, gonna be 2,000 out of here down, 1750, did 2, 2, bit to 2, guys, came in from the same home as the last one, I'm gonna have to miss that one too. Right here, 5023, got your John Deere 1210A grain cart on the 1210A grain cart. Guys, get $2,000, give $2,000. $1,000 here, $1,000, $500, $500 out of it to 5 and 6. 500, 600, $600 out of here, now 5 on the money, give it 6. 600 here, now 5 and 6. 500, 600 bid, 600 out of down here, 5 on the money, give it 600 out of here, down, I'm gonna be 6, 7. 600 out of down, give it 700 out of here, now 6 on the money, give it 700 out of here, now 6 and 7. 600, 700, 600 out of down, ain't no friends, 7, 8, 700 out of down, give me 8, 800 here. 7 on the money, give me 800 here, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, give it 9, 999. Still ain't no friends. 89, 800. I'm gonna be 900 out of here now. We know the money. Give me 900 out of here now. We know the money. Give me 999. Give me 989. Sold $800.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.